Good morning, all of you. I hope everyone is doing good. So today I'm going to discuss about the topic is how is president is going to elected. So in this video, I'm going to discuss what are the constitutional provisions which is related to presidential election and what is MP vote value, or what is MLA vote value, what is the difference, and how to calculate those vote values, and all these things, and what is the procedure, and all these things I'm going to discuss one by one. Coming to our topic, we saw in 2022 Draupadi Murmu elected as a president of India. She is the 15th president of India. Our first president of India is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And this concept, president, that concept we borrowed from USA Constitution. It's present in our constitution. As we all know, our constitution is a borrowed constitution. We borrowed so many concepts from different constitutions of the world. So in that way, the presidential concept we borrowed from USA Constitution. And president election is a indirect election, it's not a direct election. So let's try and understand what is the difference between direct election and indirect elections. When it comes to general elections, like we directly go and we cast our votes, it's a direct election. We can see in our Lok Sabha elections, and state legislative assemblies elections. Recently 2024 elections happened. That time we all went and we cast our votes. That's a direct election. Coming to presidential election, so we elect our representatives through direct election, and those representatives are going to elect president of India. So how they are going to elected, and who are they actually going to elect the president of India? We have one concept, electoral college concept. In that electoral concepts contain members of elected members of both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Try to focus here, nominated members are not included in electoral college. And state legislative assemblies, like MLAs of all elected state legislative assemblies of all states also come under electoral college. And state legislative assemblies of union territories, basically three union territories: Delhi, Puducherry, and Jammu and Kashmir. So these all representatives come under electoral college, and all they are going to elect a president of India. So that's why we are saying it's an indirect election. So I'm saying president is going to elected through indirect election by electoral college and all. So which body is going to conduct electoral president of elections, president of India's election? So we have two bodies: Election Commission of India and State Election Commission of India. When it comes to State Election Commission of India, it conducts elections of local bodies like municipalities and panchayats. When it comes to Election Commission of India, it conducts elections of parliament, and elections of president, vice president, and all. So presidential election is conducted by Election Commission of India. And it is a secret ballot, by using proportional representation by single transferable vote. In this method, voting is conducted by rounds and rounds. If any candidate is going to secure quota of votes in a first round, then they declared as a president of India. If it is not, then they count again second round and third round, like this. So presidential election is through proportional representation by means of single transferable vote. Coming to MP vote value and MLA vote value, let's try and understand what is a MLA vote value. So it has one formula: total population of that state and divided by total number of elected MLAs of that state into 1 by 1000. It is the formula to calculate MLA vote value. And coming to MP vote value, all all MLAs vote values of all states by number of elected MPs. So this is the MP vote value calculation process. And coming to quota of votes, like if any candidates is going to um, secure number of quota votes, then they declared as a president of India. Let's try and understand this concept is different from MP vote value and MLA vote value. And coming to MP vote value is more than MLA vote value, and MLA vote value is calculating based on 1971 census, population based on 1971 census. What are the constitutional provisions related to a presidential election? So let's try and understand Article 54 of the Constitution, which deals with elections of the President of India, and 55, it says like manner of election of President of India, and 56, it's related to uh, tenure tenure, and 57, it's related to re-election, and 58, it's related to qualifications, and all these things, provisions 54 to 58. And this is the process. And why we choose indirect elections, why we didn't choose direct elections? Why? Because Dr. B.R. Ambedkar told this thing. Why we choose indirect elections means it's a large electorate, and we don't have resources to conduct elections in that much level. And as it is, like he's a normal head of the state, he's not a real head of the state, so there is no need to spend that much of money to elect a president of India. He is a normal head. That's why we choose indirect election and all these things. I hope you got this concept clear, and I hope this video will help you to understand this concept. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and share. Don't forget to like and comment.